In this IntelliJ tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can navigate through your file structure. So I'm in this file right here, and you can see that I have a function here called onExecute. I have another function called onComplete. And what I want to do is I want to be able to jump between those whenever I want. So how we do this is we go up here to these three dots, we click on it, and then we go to Navigate. And inside of Navigate is an option for file structure. When we click this, it'll open up a pop-up, but we can also hit Control F12 to open up the same pop-up. So now we have this pop-up. We can actually move between any of these functions. You'll notice that this one I had edited, but the others I have not. So I can click on it. It'll move to that particular symbol in the list. We can do that again. Go to on autocomplete, and now we're there. So that's not the only menu that you can use to navigate between the different symbols inside of the file. You can also go to the file structure. It's over here on the left. You can also hit Alt+7 to open it up. And here you can see the structure over here on the left. If you click on one of these options, it will just move you to that piece of the code. And that is how you navigate your file structure inside of IntelliJ.